In this video, you'll learn how to contact Bitget support efficiently. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to reach out for assistance with your inquiries or issues on the platform. Begin by navigating to the Bitget website, open your preferred web browser and type in the Bitget URL. Once the page loads, you should see the main interface of the Bitget exchange. Ensure that you are connected to the internet to avoid delays in loading. Next, locate the blue icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. This icon represents the support feature. Clicking on this icon will initiate the support interaction. You should see a pop-up message informing you about the current status of customer support. After this, you may encounter a notification, such as the Bitget CFD Market Closure Notice for Spring Festival 2026. It is essential to read this message as it may contain important information regarding your access to support services during that period. Once you have read the message, click on the Got It button to dismiss the notification. This action will allow you to proceed to the next step without any interruptions. Ensure that you confirm this step before moving on. Now, click on the Bitget support option, which you can find within the support interface. This will take you to the support section where various assistance options are available. We should see a list of frequently asked questions and support topics. Following that, click on the Announcements tab to view any recent updates or important notifications from Bitget. This section may provide insights into ongoing issues or changes affecting users. Take a moment to review the latest announcements. You may see additional messages such as inquiries regarding live chat assistance or support for business-related issues. These messages are designed to guide you towards the relevant support options based on your needs. Continue by clicking on Chat with Us to initiate a chat session with a support agent. This feature allows for real-time communication, which can be beneficial for resolving urgent matters quickly. Be prepared to explain your concern clearly to the agent. Finally, interact with the chatbot that appears to sort your concerns effectively. The bot can help direct you to the right resources or escalate your issue to a human agent if necessary. Make sure to follow the prompts provided by the bot for optimal assistance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.